How to fix Shopee your checkout attempt has been rejected. If you're getting rejected at the checkout again and again, then this video will definitely solve your problem. First of all, make sure you add your product to your cart. I have already added two products in my cart and I will click on view my shopping cart here. And if you want to buy all the product at once, make sure you click on select one. If you want to buy any one of them, just click on any one of, right? So I want to buy only this product or I can buy all of them. Make sure that product is available. I mean, that product should be in stock. And once everything is done, make sure just click on checkout. You have to add address. If you have added your address, make sure that is a valid address. Scroll a little bit down and here you will find this message for seller. If you want to do that, you can do that. Select voucher. Make sure you select one of the voucher which get compatible with your purchase. If you have any voucher code, enter it and apply only if get compatible with your purchase. Here in the bottom, which is called payment method. This is very important because this is where everything depends. If you want to use a Shopee coin, you can use that. This is a payment method. In the payment method, you can just click on change. I don't want to use a cash on delivery. I can just pay with payment center. Make sure whichever payment method you use, it should be a valid one. For example, I will purchase this product with my linked bank account. So make sure this bank account should be linked. If I just go and choose online banking, it should be linked. So everything depends upon your payment method. Most of the purchases get rejected at the checkout just because of the invalid payment methods. Make sure this is the correct one and you will easily able to place order. This is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.